How to change proxy hostname on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change proxy hostname on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go to settings and privacy, and then to find this one here, go down and you will find it, proxy, click on it. And now if you want to manage hostname, you will need to turn this one on and then click on it, and as you see now you can manage hostname. Then just type anything you want and test. Okay, and as you see first proxy hostname has been changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.